Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're delving deep into the world of YouTube algorithms to uncover the key factors that determine your video's ranking and sharing expert tips to boost your visibility. If you've ever wondered how to get your videos to rank higher on YouTube and attract more viewers, this is the video for you. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is crucial to gaining more exposure and growing your channel. We'll explain the purpose of the algorithm and its impact on video rankings, giving you valuable insights into how YouTube determines which videos to recommend to users. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags is essential to improve your ranking. We'll guide you through the process of crafting attention-grabbing titles that include relevant keywords, writing compelling video descriptions with keyword-rich content, and utilizing tags effectively to help YouTube understand the context of your video. Your video thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so we'll share strategies to create visually appealing and compelling thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. You'll learn the importance of consistency in branding and how to A/B test different thumbnails to identify the most effective ones. Engagement signals and watch time play a significant role in boosting your video's visibility. We'll provide you with expert tips to encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe, and show you how to engage with your audience effectively. You'll also discover strategies to increase watch time, such as creating engaging intros and delivering valuable content throughout your videos. Viewer retention and session time are key metrics that impact your video's ranking. We'll share techniques to maintain viewer interest and minimize drop-offs, including storytelling techniques, visual aids, and pacing tips. Additionally, you'll learn how to use playlists and end screens to keep viewers engaged and extend their session time on YouTube. To enhance your video's discoverability, we'll dive into YouTube SEO. You'll understand the importance of conducting keyword research, optimizing your video metadata with targeted keywords, and promoting your videos through cross-promotion and embedding. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool to gain insights into your video's performance. We'll guide you through the dashboard, showing you how to analyze audience demographics, traffic sources, and viewer behavior. You'll learn how to make data-driven decisions for your content strategy based on the analytics data. Consistency and frequency are essential for building a loyal subscriber base. We'll explain the benefits of establishing a regular upload schedule and delivering high-quality content. You'll also discover the importance of experimenting with different content formats and adjusting your strategy based on audience feedback. Hello, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and strategies to help your videos rank higher on the YouTube algorithm. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube algorithms, uncovering the key factors that determine your video's ranking and sharing expert tips to boost your visibility. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to unravel the secrets of YouTube's algorithm. Understanding the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is the engine that drives video recommendations and determines the visibility of your content. Its primary goal is to provide users with personalized and engaging videos based on their interests and viewing habits. The algorithm takes into account various factors, including user interactions, video metadata, and engagement metrics, to rank videos on search results, suggested videos, and homepages. Optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags. One of the crucial steps to improve your video's ranking is to optimize its title, description, and tags. Craft a title that is attention-grabbing, concise, and includes relevant keywords. Your video description should provide a detailed summary of the content and incorporate keywords naturally. Additionally, utilize tags that accurately describe your video's topic and content, helping YouTube understand the context and relevance of your video. Mastering thumbnail strategy. Your video thumbnail is the first impression viewers have of your content. Create visually appealing and compelling thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your video. Make sure they are clear, high quality, and reflect the essence of your video. Consistency in branding your thumbnails can help viewers recognize your content and build a loyal audience. Engagement signals and watch time. Engagement signals, such as likes, comments, and shares, play a significant role in boosting your video's visibility. Encourage viewers to engage with your content by explicitly asking them to like, comment, and subscribe. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and fostering a sense of community. Moreover, watch time is a critical metric for the algorithm. Keep viewers engaged throughout your video by creating captivating intros, delivering valuable content, and maintaining a good pace. Viewer retention and session time. Viewer retention and session time are key metrics that influence your video's ranking. Analyze your audience retention analytics to identify patterns and optimize your content accordingly. Structure your videos in a way that maintains viewer interest, such as using storytelling techniques, visual aids, and engaging narration. Utilize playlists and end screens to encourage viewers to watch more of your content, thus increasing their session time on YouTube. Leveraging YouTube SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for improving your video's discoverability. Conduct keyword research to understand popular search terms related to your video's topic. Optimize your video metadata, including titles, descriptions, and tags, with targeted keywords. Additionally, promote your videos through cross-promotion on other social media platforms and embed them on relevant websites to increase their visibility and reach. Utilizing YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into your video's performance and audience behavior. Dive into the analytics dashboard to understand metrics such as audience demographics, traffic sources, and viewer behavior. Use this data to make data-driven decisions for your content strategy, such as identifying popular topics or adjusting your production style to cater to your target audience's preferences. Consistency and frequency. Consistency is key to building a loyal subscriber base. Establish a regular upload schedule that your audience can rely on, as it helps to build anticipation and keep viewers engaged. Along with consistency, maintain the quality of your content. Aim for a balance between regular uploads and ensuring your videos provide value to your audience. Experiment with different content formats and analyze their performance to identify what resonates best with your viewers. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets of the YouTube algorithm and learned how to optimize your videos for higher rankings. Remember, it's not just about producing great content but also understanding your audience, optimizing your metadata, fostering engagement, and keeping viewers hooked with compelling storytelling and valuable information. Implement these strategies consistently, and watch your channel soar to new heights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy YouTubing. Outro. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the YouTube algorithm. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in growing your YouTube presence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Keep creating amazing content, and we'll see you in the next video.